Hey guys, in this video I got this package right here. It's a t-shirt, look at that. I bought it for like 121 ringgit. Kinda expensive, not gonna lie, especially for a shirt, but who knows, it might be good. So let's unbox it and see what we got. Ooh, it's Cyn T-Shirt. Wow. So anyway, here's the shirt itself. Oh my god, low battery. But yeah, here it is. Ooh, it's honestly quite big. Hopefully the shirt isn't too big for me. So but anyway, here's the design. Ooh, look at Cyn. The print, honestly, yeah, it's not going anywhere. Even if I scratch it with my fingernail, yeah, it's not going anywhere at all. There's a little Mother John's logo at the bottom, quite a nice touch. And here's the tag of it. Yeah, but I mean, it's quite thin actually. Yeah, look at that. It's a little bit thin. Hopefully it still looks good, and hopefully it doesn't break in like a year. But anyway, it is stretchy as well. Wait, yeah, look at that. It's quite stretchy, so I guess that's good. But to be honest, it's quite big. Let me just do it one-handed. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna fit on it. So I would say it's a pretty nice shirt. So let's try wearing it. Hopefully it looks good. And yeah. Alright, let's see how well it fits me. I mean, it's definitely quite long. Yeah. Probably should buy like one size smaller, so but hey, it does look pretty damn good. Yeah, not bad at all. So it fits me quite well actually. It's just, well, a bit too long. There's a little Mother John logo right here too. So yeah, quite happy with it. So alright, so been a few weeks. Today's September 29. Here's how I look on that shirt once again. Yeah, I guess it fits me kind of well. Probably. So I actually did wear it for like I did actually wear outside for quite a bit. It's actually fairly comfy, so not bad at all. We actually I got my Uzi jacket. How does it look on it? I have to admit, that doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, fits quite well actually. Probably should zip it, but yeah, who cares? So I guess it fits quite well. So Alright, I guess this is the end of a video where actually the stitching actually isn't good. Wait. Yeah, isn't that great, but overall, I mean, it's pretty decent quality, so hopefully it can last me at least like a year or two. Really hope it doesn't break that easily, especially since I pay like 120 for it, I think. But anyway, I guess this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.